it's Sandra, and today I want to show you 4 polishes that I actually got from Madam Glam. These are complimentary, so I did not pay anything for them. And this is part of their neon collection. And I did do a video on 4 of the 8 polishes a little while ago. And these were the 4 I actually did the video on. And they were Shine On, Neon Honey, Sizzling Lime, and Empower. So the ones that I'm going to do today are actually ones that go with that collection, but I just got them, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get base coat on these, and then I'm going to show you what these colors look like. And just so you know, I do have a discount code. It's for 35% off at Madam Glam. And their polishes, if you've never tried their gel polish, I say this every single time that I do a video, you need to try it. It's very easy to put on. It's very smooth. Their colors are beautiful. I can't say enough good things about Madam Glam. And Madam Glam, thank you so much for sending me this complimentary polish. Every one that I've had is beautiful. The last one that I had, though, if you remember, looked like this. I loved those. So anyway, just to remind you. So here we go. I'm going to put this on the base coat, put the base coat on, and then we're going to try these other polishes. So we've got Orchid Glam. We got No Rules. We got Rose Glitz and Love Wins. Okay, so those are the 4 polishes that I just got, and we're going to see what they look like. All right, so let's start off with this one, which is what? Love Wins. This is a really, really deep pink, which I love. It's almost like a red because it's so deep. This one is actually really pretty. Nope, it's not as pretty as the ones that I got the last time did a video on. Those are gorgeous, but these are very pretty. And I am a pink lover. So anything pink. Now this kind of comes out like a purpley pink. Very pretty. And that one, a lot of sparkle in that one. That one is called Rose Glitz. This one is No Rules. Let's see what this looks like, because it doesn't look like much. The lid doesn't look like much. It's like, it's kind of unimpressive, but it was part of this collection. So I wanted to get it. I wanted to get the whole collection, so. I don't know, was this part of the collection? I'll have to look because it doesn't look anything like it. You have to look that up. It's pretty. It's actually like a beige or brown. And then the last one is Orchid Glam. Let's see what that looks like. Very pretty purple. Dark purple. Great for Halloween. Great, great, great for Halloween. I never ever used to like gels, and I started using them, and then I got kind of involved with Madam Glam as far as them sending me product. And I'll tell you, I love, love, love gel because you don't have to mess around with it. It lasts for a long time, and I like that because I don't have a lot of time to do nails. But at Christmas and at Halloween, I don't want to use gel because I change my nail polish so often because I have so many plates of holidays, and I just want to get through like as many as I can before the holiday's over. So I don't use gel at Halloween, and I don't use it at Christmas. So if you saw, my nails are actually done in Halloween. Couldn't stand it. Put my Halloween decorations up. My daughter thinks I'm bonkers, but I don't know. It takes me so long to put the stuff up. I just like having enough time to actually enjoy it. So anyway, there you go. There you have it. There's my life story. Love Halloween decorations, love Halloween nails, and I equally love Christmas as well. Okay, so let's do this purple. Now this is 2 coats. Ooh, yeah, this purple one is really gonna make a cool Halloween one. Let's do this one. Piling on there too much there. Getting a little carried away. Oops. Okay. I think everything is very opaque except for this purpley one. So I'm gonna put this under the light and I'm gonna do one more, or not the purpley one, the pinky one. I'm gonna do one more coat on the pink one. And then after I'm doing that, I'm done with that, we'll do top coat and see how these all look. Okay. I'm so bad at wiping off the lids of these. I should, but I don't. So I'm using Madam Glam's top coat and base coat. And their products, like I said, are very easy to use. They go on really easy. No problems. And they level out with no problem too. All right, let's give this one more coat. Yeah, it's still kind of, it's not as opaque as the other ones, but that's okay. It's very pretty. Lots of sparkles in there, boys and girls. Okay, so there we go. All right, let's put some top coat on these. Very gorgeous, nice collection. Like the neons. I'm one of those people that when I want to put on a color, I want you to be able to tell it's that color. I'm not really big into pastels. I mean, they're okay, but I really like a lot of color. The only thing is with, you know, when you get into these darker colors, it's harder to stamp on those. So a lot of times when I get into these darker colors and I really like the color, I don't even stamp on them. I just like, or I'll put like, you know, like a white French manicure or something on it because I really just like the color and I just don't want to mess it up. So let's see how this turned out after we've got the top coat on. All right, there you go. There are the 4 gel polishes that I got from Madam Glam. And like I said, these are a part of the neon colors. They are beautiful. Madam Glam has not let me down yet. And if you have never tried Madam Glam, please get on there and try some. I think once you try it, you probably won't go anywhere else. But, and they have so many colors, very pretty. So anyway, Madam Glam, thanks again. And I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.